How to add Gmail and Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to switch our personal account to professional account because adding Gmail is only available on professional account. So the very first thing is to tap on our profile icon right here and click on these three lines on the upper corner. Once we're here, we just have to scroll down and tap on account type and tools. You just have to tap on switch to professional account and fill up the information needed. Hit continue. Doesn't really matter how you fill this one up. Hit next, continue, and exit. Now that you're on professional account, all you have to do to add your Gmail on Instagram is to tap on edit profile and then scroll down and tap on contact option. Now you can add your business email right here and hit check when you're done. You can also add your phone number. You can display it to your profile. So that's how to add Gmail and Instagram. Hope we help.